Don't waste time. Use it. Don't attend to time. Activate it. Don't follow men. Follow your vision. Stop talking too much. Time is a resource. Don't kill it. Those who kill time will regret why killing it. Time is a treasure. Please use it. Time and energy, they are two most important weapons in your lives. Please don't waste it. You can't outsmart time. Live in the confines of time and use time effectively. Use time effectively. Use time effectively. Take away distractions of today. You can be your Bill Gates tomorrow. You can be the Amazon guy tomorrow. Please don't waste time. Let me tell you two things that kills time: bad companies and wrong beliefs. These are two basic killers of time: bad companies and wrong beliefs. The man who keep bad companies will waste time. The man who have wrong beliefs will waste time. I repeat again, in case you didn't hear anything from this event, don't waste time. Activate time, apply to time, and make time work for you. Education does not give you time. It is time that makes education effective. Use time. Use time. Use time. Use time. Use time. Use time when you have the privilege to do so. God bless you.